Welcome to my video. Travis Alexander with a video talking about lead lighting and power lead system. Okay, to get the information out the way of the cost. Okay, everybody comes in with lead lighting because it's a low cost entry. Okay, but the problem is with lead lighting, you can do minimum of what power lead system can do. You will have more benefits by coming in as a gold member in power lead system and have resale rights, and you will have more benefits. Okay, and the benefit is you will have resale rights of lead lighting right away, so you can advertise lead lighting and generate those $6 sales and have them to upgrade into a power lead system, and you will generate those $20 monthly commissions. Okay, so that's totally up to you. If you can afford to just go into power lead system right away, that's what I did. I bypassed lead lighting to just pay for that $7. I say rather just go for power lead system. Power lead system only $29.95 for the whole suite of the product, and you have the product, and then you just pay the additional $23 for resale rights as a gold member, and a total around $53. Okay, so if I would have went to lead lightning, I would have paid the $7 and then upgrade to gold, paying the $29.95 and paying the $19.95 for totaling of to around $60. So as me going to power lead system, I had saved $7. So that's something to think about. And plus the extra benefits, you create unlimited capture pages. You can edit and copy the autoresponders of a campaign. You can create unlimited capture page and sales pages. You can edit those pages. On lead lighting, you cannot do those things. Okay, so these are bonuses and benefits by becoming a power lead system member. And I went to my websites, and if I scroll down here, I can actually go in here and start promoting lead lighting. So if you want to join just lead lighting, and just click the link below and it will take you to lead lighting. All right, but my recommendation is go with power lead system. Just to the second link, I'm gonna give you my funnel. All you gotta do is click on the link, put in your real email, and watch this presentation as my friend's gonna show you how we use power lead system to promote awesome product and generate more signups in power lead system. Okay, so it's very easy to do. So I'm just showing you the right now is showing down these pages that I can promote lead lighting anytime or anything else that I choose. But being a power lead system member is the best way to go, because you can promote lead lighting at the same time. Okay, yeah, I have a lot of pages. You can create custom pages for anything. You just gonna label them so you can remember what the pages is. Okay, so let's scroll back up here and let me see what I'm talking about. So I can come up here and capture and copy and edit any pages that I choose by being a power lead system member. Okay, so you could choose these pages, and here's lead lighting right here, the sales page right here. I can go ahead and use this capture page for them into my business. You can edit the referral link B as I put a new capture page, a sales page here for lead lighting. They put their name and email. I can forward people to sign up with lead lighting, and then forward them to my primary business of lead lighting. But the best way is to go with power lead system, because you get this whole suite that you get more pages that you can just copy and edit, like the PLS Hangout. I've been using that and it's been going very well. And I'm sharing my team with the funnels. Okay, there's some funnels I created. There's some funnels I created, and right now I'm using this one's called YBR3 3.0 by Mark Cosby, and it's been going very success. I have more funnels here by Frank Laba Jr. PLS Super Funnel. That's just promoting PLS by itself. My sponsor has gave me his funnel. Alan Cousins been going very well with power lead system. So the more that you can do, the more success you're gonna have with Powerly system instead of lead lighting. Okay, just like this funnel right here. This is super funnel YBR. You can get the same funnel, and we give you these capture pages that you can use. Or basically, you can set up a new capture page and attach it to the sales page of YBR. Okay, so if you want to know more details, just go to the website. And plus, with Poly System, you can add more domain names, create unlimited subdomain names, and have more benefits to do. Like up here, I can come and click here and make a copy of one of these pages and edit any way I choose to. So, in this explain you the benefits by becoming a Poly System member instead of lead lighting, because you get more benefits, okay? And plus, you have the chance to earn even more money. Like I go to account, go to money. Just by being a Poly System member, you can earn more money being a Poly System member. Okay, well, let me go back here and show you the stats. Let me show you the stats of this report of gold members signing up and earning the multiple $20 over and over again. I'm already at $160. Okay, with lead lighting and this amount of signups, let's see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but you do $6 times 8, that around $56 instead of this $160. So my best bet is just for you to sign up with Poly System as a gold member. You get more benefits, okay? You get lots of more benefits, and plus you're gonna get the rights of this resale funnel, okay? Let me show you this funnel that I've been using, and you can have success with it. You don't have to explain nothing. You just promote your link, do some nice videos, show people your progress, how you're using it to have success. Okay, the first link will be to lead lighting. If you cannot afford to go to Powerly System right away, or you can visit this domain name. It'll take you to this page. Will show you how to get started, get paid daily cash coming into your bank account, and the information is 100% free. Just enter your real email, and you will get a welcome email from me, and it's going to say welcome. Here's your share code. Make sure you look for that email in your inbox, your spam box, or your junk box. Make sure you click on the link so you can get your system all set up with Powerly System today. Powerly System is the way to go. Once you put in your name, you should put in your real email. You're going to be forwarded to the Yellow Brick Road 3.0. And this is the funnel that you can use with Powerly System. This funnel and pages was set up by Powerly System and the creator Mark Cosby. And it's been doing wonders for me. I'm getting more signups, more gold signups. And as I just showed you, getting those unlimited $20 is very, very more nicer than those unlimited $6. Okay, so my advice to you is to go with Powerly System instead of lead lighting. Powerly System is the way to go. You can actually have more benefits and do more stuff. Okay, so once you come to this page, you want to make sure you watch the whole video. And then you want to come down and get through the steps. You want to get the business, okay? The business is going to show you how to generate traffic and get money out of it. Then step 2 is get the system, Powerly System. You start for free today. We give you a free trial. And then you're going to click on step 3 to set up this whole funnel. It's very easy to follow this video and very, very easy. You go down this page and you can see how Mark and Steve invite you in this, and you don't have to create none of this. You will be getting a share code to copy every single page by using Powerly System. Okay, this is a successful build by Yellow Brick Road and Mark Cosby for Powerly System members. Okay, you coming in here, you advertising your capture page Yellow Brick Road and getting the signups in Powerly System and Future Ad Pro and generate ad packs and traffic and actually putting money in your pocket. And you're going to recycle it by getting more traffic from yellowbrickroadtraffic.com or from other sources that I use to generate more traffic, okay? But this is a successful funnel that gets you more signups in Powerly System, okay? So my advice for you, click the link below and get started with us today in Powerly System, because it's going to be more benefits to you instead of joining with lead lighting. Okay, you will actually make the more money by using Power Lead System. Okay, and you can just come down here and read this whole page and how it's going to benefit you, setting up your funnel of Yellow Brick Road system and all the bonuses you get, and how people have success as more people get fast start bonus, diamond members, and more gold members. And ad packs, this guy got 16,000 already. This person got gold members. This person got more gold members. This got 4,000 commissions. And it goes on and on. The success goes on and on. They have bonuses, show you how to get on the first page of Google. And you get all this training all by setting up your funnel with Yellow Brick Road. Very, very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay, just to show you more proof in my email, you can just see my name, Travis New, a gold member has arrived, and basically switching to this new funnel. And was December 14. Got a gold member. December 13, two new gold members, and on the 12th, gold member. The fourth gold member, the second gold member, another gold member, gold member. These are multiple gold members. On 11, got two gold member signups, another gold member. October 7, two gold members. 29th September, two gold members, two gold members. So there's multiple gold members every other day, but it's using Powerly system. This is the way you want to go, and I'm hooking you up today with a successful funnel that can work and benefit you to generate more signups in Powerly system instead of lead lighting. Okay, lead lighting is a great offer to get people in the door. If you want to advertise anything else, you generate buyer leads. That's why lead lighting was created, so people can use it to generate buyer leads for other business. As people come in and sign up, say you sign up for lead lighting and you advertise lead lighting, well, you got signups in lead lighting for $6. Now you know that person is spending money. So what you do, you start promoting your own business to those leads and try to upsell them into your business. And so people start upselling into Powerly system to go gold. So the best way to start at Powerly system, save that $7 so you won't spend in $60. Okay, spend more money if you go lead lighting instead of Powerly system as a gold member. And I want to show you this real quick as a bonus. By becoming a Powerly system gold member, I'm gonna give you extra access to our mastermind site. This is Power Mastermind site. This was created by my sponsor, Alan Cousins, but he created another sales funnel that promotes only Powerly system, and it's been doing wonders for all our members. Plus, we give you our done for you traffic co-op. All you're gonna do is follow these phases. It's going through 1 all the way through 6, and you can get the campaign sharing code and traffic co-op. You can purchase traffic of how many clicks you want, and that traffic is converting like crazy. Everybody's getting signups, getting leads and signups into a Powerly system. Plus, you get access to our Facebook group. I'm gonna manually add you to our group and send you the message so you can get all the access of these bonuses by becoming a Powerly system member. All you just do is follow these phases, and you can get invited to our team traffic co-op to generate you more leads and sales into Powerly system if you're just looking to join Powerly system as a gold member. So this is what we do with our new gold members. We invite you in here so you get access. All we do is click here, put in your name and your email, and you're going to get a welcome email to all the bonuses. Okay, for every gold member or PLS customer, get access to these bonuses. All right, or if you upgrade any higher, you can still get access. All you gotta do is move to phase 1, and these additional bonuses of training of generating sales and traffic right away with using Powerly system. So these are my bonuses I'm offering. That's why I said forget about lead lighting and go with Powerly system. There's more benefits by being a Powerly system member. So go ahead, click that first link and it's going to take you to this page so you can get forward and start up your funnel today with Yellow Brick Road 3.0. Make sure you put in your real email because we're going to be sending important information so you can set up your funnel today. It says let me in. Go visit the website and get started today. But if you cannot afford a Poly system, best bet is just go with lead lighting. But you will be spending more money if you go lead lighting, as you pay this $7 one time. Then if you eventually start making money with lead lighting, and we're still going to help you generate traffic, you're going to pay, once you upgrade to a Poly system, it's $29.95 plus the $23 as affiliate, total of $53. So altogether it would be $60. So go ahead and just do it and go with Poly system. Come to this link of the first one and put in your real email, and you'll get forward to set up your Yellow Brick Road. But if you don't, click on the second link and it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page. You just go type in this subdomain. It will take you to this page so you can sign up with lead lighting. And as you know, this guy's been doing successful with lead lighting. You're going to put in your real name and email, and he says send it to me. And then you're going to create your account with lead lighting, and you can use it to promote anything that you choose. But make sure you set it up the right way and you advertise it so you can generate those limited $6. But then you're going to be upgrading to Powerly system. So the best bet is just go to Powerly system right away and click that first link and get signed up today. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure you get signed up today because you're going to be getting those bonuses, over 5,000 bonus extra into PLS Mastermind resource site, and with the traffic co-op that you can just get traffic and instantly get signups by the next day. That's how good this traffic is. New members are getting signups every single day by generating traffic with our traffic co-op. So I see you guys on inside. Have a great day. Peace.